Celebrate Easter and the return of spring with festive foods and drinks. Chef Jamie Gwen is here with some tips and tricks for easy appetizers and that Easter ham. Hi, Chef.
Chef Jamie Gwen here, ushering in spring with good eats. Ham is a must at Easter, and my go-to is Kentucky Legend for a few reasons. It has fabulous flavor. It's double smoked. It's the nation's #1 natural juice ham, and it's easy. Just heat and eat. They have a variety of sizes and smoke flavors for every gathering, and it'll add that delicious smoky flavor to your favorite dish or appetizer. Here's a unique spin on a holiday appetizer. These muffin pan quiche cups made with Pearl's sliced black ripe olives are the perfect individual brunch delight. And people who love olives love and trust Pearl's. 100% grown and packed in sunny California and picked at the peak of freshness. I love that Pearl's is committed to keeping jobs in the US and ensuring the highest quality olives in their cans, cups, and jars. Now, if you're ready for some fun, this may look like an ordinary marshmallow, but one bite reveals a creamy, sweet milk chocolate core. This is a stuffed puff, a milk chocolate filled marshmallow that adds absolute fun to an Easter egg hunt. They make an amazing s'more too. And for a quick hack at home, you just pop one into the microwave for 7 seconds and you have instant gratification s'mores. So good. And you don't have to be a mixologist to whip up a delicious cocktail for the spring season. All you need is the new release from Smirnoff, zero sugar infusions, lemon and elderflower. With a splash of soda, it's delicious. The citrus flavor and subtle notes of elderflower come through perfectly. I make a spring-inspired Moscow Mule as well with strawberries and lime using the world's #1 vodka, Smirnoff #21 vodka, of course. For more information and all these tasty recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.